Hey everyone, it's Bailey Connery here from Info Technologies doing my screencast for you guys. Recently I visited the St. Louis Butterfly House. It was a really cool experience, so here I've already selected a picture of a monarch butterfly, one of the most commonly known butterflies. They're known for their orange wing with black detailing and white spots. They also travel quite the distance at 3,000 miles to go south when it gets cold. So let's start editing the picture. I'm here in Flickr, and I found this image that I'd like to use. So I'm going to go ahead and view the sizes, and pick this one, and copy the image address, and head over to Pixlr to load the URL. Alright, we're going to crop this to 200 by 200. We will apply that, set this up to 100, and we are ready to go with the 200 by 200. Thanks guys.